Let me just pop in for some, let's see what's happening. I popped in for some pips, so let me show. Hey, welcome to my channel. My name is Jay, and here we talk all about making money online, having fun, traveling the world so that we can design the life that we love. That sounds like something of interest to you. What are you waiting for? Become a part of the fam by subscribing, clicking the link below, so that way you can get videos like this and others when uploaded. Let's dive in. Alright, so I said I would show the good, the bad, and the ugly. And honey, it can't get no uglier than this. Never thought I'd be on camera at this time doing this, but I woke up and said, let me go pop in the markets. I went to ladies' room, and let me show you what time it is. Yeah, it's 6 o'clock in the morning, and I said, let me just pop in and see what's going on with the markets. And so I am already up, found something, and already up. Hey, so I am here. We are in Conshohocken, and I am looking to get some monitors, of course, for our Forex trading. I actually have 2 monitors right now on my screen, on my computer desk, which has always helped me because I'm always surfing multiple tabs. Do you do the same? But my husband, he has 2, but he wants more. You know, he wants actually 6. Like, really? You really need 6? But that's what he wants. So we're here trying to look at some different monitors. We're looking to have a setup for our Forex trading. So, you know, we definitely don't want to miss any of those pips. And so we're looking at some monitors so we can add to the family. I actually like this one. Maybe I can get something like that. I like it's curved. Do y'all have any suggestions or something that you like? Are the curves worth it or not? Who knows? I'm not sure. I do know we want something that's not going to cause a glare. And we want to have them mounted so you can just look at it right from your desk. And something that's touchscreen too. I always like a touchscreen monitor for myself and for him. So that's what we're going to come checking out, trying to grab a few, looking at a few different places to decide what it is that we want to do. And which setup will be the best for us. So we stopped to take a lunch break from looking at the monitors and the setup. We're here at a Mexican restaurant. Look how absolutely stunning it is today. My goodness. I wouldn't even mind sitting outside. That's how beautiful it is. So we're gonna go get something to eat, and we're gonna check out our trays and see what's happening. So come on inside with us. I love it when it's empty, especially now because of COVID. It's the best thing ever. Face this one. Hey, so now I'm actually just getting a bite to eat. We're here at a Mexican restaurant, and they offered me this mango juice. I love me some mango, peach, or pineapple, so I had to try it. And guess what? If you dine in, you actually get a free margarita. So they just gave me a margarita. Let's taste it. It's actually not bad. So about to challenge my food, but I did get alerted while we were sitting and waiting for our food, and decided to catch some pips. I am in Ethereum, and we're actually just checking my trades. Figure why not get some trades while I'm taking a bite to eat. So I'll check you out a little later. About to go ahead and dive in. Alright, y'all, so we decided on which monitors to get. Throw it in the bag. Throw it in the bag. So we can have our setup. My husband got what he wants. Nice B-Day gift. Well, yeah. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below to get more information today.